Would you believe me if I told you getting 1 million Pinterest impressions in under 30 days is possible? Even if you are starting from scratch? Well, I did it, and guess what? It wasn't just automation. Today I am pulling back the curtain on my exact Pinterest strategy. No fluff, just the real tactics that worked for me. At the end of this video, I will show you how to completely automate this process so you can grow on Pinterest even while you sleep. If you love practical step-by-step tutorials, hit the subscribe button and join our Easy How To community. Hi, I am Kamis from Easy How To, where I break down complicated tasks in 2 simple steps. And today I am handing you the exact Pinterest blueprint to get 1 million impressions. Let's dive in. I tried everything, manually pinning, using different designs, but nothing gained traction. I would go all in for a few days, then burn out. And the worst part, every time I stopped, my traffic completely disappeared. But then I discovered a system that changed everything. Instead of wasting hours posting manually, I used automation to pin daily without even thinking about it. And that's when my Pinterest traffic finally exploded. But here's the thing, automation alone isn't enough. You need the right strategy. Let me show you the exact steps that worked for me. Before we dive into the exact strategy, let's address 2 crucial mistakes that kill Pinterest growth. Mistake 1, treating Pinterest like social media. Most people treat Pinterest like Instagram, random posts, no strategy. But here's the truth. Pinterest is a search engine like Google, not a social media platform. And if you are not using SEO, you are invisible. Mistake 2, inconsistent posting. Pinterest loves fresh content. If you stop posting for a few weeks, the algorithm stops favoring your pins. So how to fix it? Post consistently, even if it is only 5 to 10 pins per day. Start with 5 to 10 pins per day and slowly ramp up over time. Think of it like warming up before workout. You need to ease into it so Pinterest recognizes your posting pattern as natural. Use scheduling tools like PinGenerator to automate posting. I made the same mistakes at first, but once I fixed them, everything changed. My Pinterest traffic took off. I broke my Pinterest success down into 3 simple steps. Follow this strategy and you will be on your way to massive growth. Step 1, finding the right topics and keywords. Plan your post based on Pinterest data, not just Google keywords. Create content sheets for all posts so you can stay consistent and maximize your reach. But where to find these keywords? Let Pinterest tell you exactly what people are searching for, and here's how. Use Pinterest autofill, type your main topic into Pinterest search bar and pick the suggested keywords. Use Pinterest Trends tool, go to trends.pinterest.com, look for keywords that are getting traction and pick them. Pick keywords trending upwards, not ones that have already peaked. If you choose the right keywords, your pins will show up for the right audience without paying for ads. Here is the thing, if you choose the right keywords, guess what happened? Your pins will show up for the right audience without paying for ads. Step 2, creating high-performing pins. Let's talk about your pins, because even with the right keywords, if your pin doesn't grab attention, they won't get clicks. Think about it. When you're scrolling through Pinterest, what makes you stop? Bold text? Eye-catching color? A pin that immediately tells you what it's about? That's what truly makes pins stand out. Your goal is simple, stop the scroll. But how do you do that? Let me break it down. Use bold, clear text that's easy to read at a glance. Remember, most people are scrolling fast. Choose high contrast color that stand out. Pinterest is visual platform, so make your pins pop out. Experiment with different pins format. Static, video, and idea pins all perform differently, so test what works best for your audience. If you are just getting started, keep it simple. Clean design, bold text, and a clear message. Once you get the hang of it, start experimenting with different styles and formats to see what works best for your niche. Step 3. Consistent pinning and automation. That's why increasing your pinning frequency gradually is so important. Start slow, establish pattern, and let Pinterest see that your content is valuable and engaging. The key here is to start small and build momentum gradually. But there's another important reason for this. Pinterest doesn't like spam. If you suddenly start posting too many pins too quickly, the platform might flag your account as a spammer. Post consistently without burning out. Monitor your analytics. If engagement rise, scale up your pinning frequency. Use scheduling tool like PinGenerator to automate posting. Focus on quality over quantity. Pinterest favors engagement, not spam. Once you have rhythm going, you will see what's working and where to adjust. And wouldn't it be great to automate all this? Keep watching, I'm about to show you how to step by step. Knowing the strategy is great, but without automation, you will struggle to consistent. And consistency is everything on Pinterest. That's why I use PinGenerator. PinGenerator pulls images directly from your website and turns them into fresh pins automatically. You can schedule posts months in advance, so you are always active on Pinterest. With this setup, I was able to grow my Pinterest impressions without spending hours pinning every day. So now you know the strategy. What's next? It's time to automate. In my next video, I'll walk you through the exact PinGenerator setup so you can put this on autopilot. Click here to watch the video now.